Losing a drone to a flyaway or crash is a pilot's worst fear. An independent GPS tracker, with its own battery and cellular link, keeps reporting location even after the drone loses power. Unlike built-in GPS, top lightweight picks in 2026 include the Invoxia, Tracki Pro, and Spytek GL300. It's cheap insurance that turns a total loss into a simple recovery. Starting at number 1. Tracki Mini GPS Tracker. The Tracki Mini is a compact, ultralight GPS tracker weighing just 1.26 ounces, small enough to mount on most drones without affecting flight performance. It uses 4G LTE and GPS to deliver real-time location updates, with automatic pings every minute and on-demand 5-second manual refreshes, so you can quickly pinpoint your aircraft even after a flyaway or crash. Smart geofence, speed, movement, and SOS alerts keep you informed of any unexpected activity, while Bluetooth proximity mode helps you locate the device nearby if it's within range. However, keep in mind that the tracker requires an active cellular subscription, cancel anytime, and relies on cellular coverage. It's not a satellite beacon, so performance depends on signal strength, placement, and surroundings. With its replaceable 600 mAh battery offering up to 45 days in power-save mode, the Tracki Mini provides reliable, affordable peace of mind for drone pilots who want to turn a potential total loss into a simple recovery. Number 2. Optimus 2.0 GPS Tracker for Vehicles. The Optimus 2.0 is a discrete, real-time 4G LTE GPS tracker that offers drone pilots a compelling balance of speed and battery life, delivering customizable position updates as fast as every 10 seconds when you need rapid location fixes, while still running up to 2 weeks at the standard 1-minute reporting frequency. It keeps you fully informed with instant email and text alerts for movement, speeding, geofence breaches, low battery, and even includes an SOS button for added security. Its rechargeable design makes it easy to mount and reuse across multiple drones or other assets. However, note that the GPS signal relies on clear line of sight to satellites, so avoid placing it inside metal enclosures or dense carbon fiber shielding, and performance depends on cellular coverage where you fly. For pilots who prioritize frequent, customizable updates and robust alerting, the Optimus 2.0 provides reliable, actionable tracking to recover your drone quickly after an unexpected landing or flyaway. Number 3. SALIND 11 4G GPS Tracker. The SALIND 11 is a rugged, splash-proof 4G GPS tracker that stands out for its exceptional battery life. Its massive 7,500 mAh battery can last up to 14 days with daily 6-8-hour use, 40 days at 1 hour per day, or an impressive 70 days in standby mode, making it ideal for drone pilots who don't want to recharge after every flight or for long-range missions where recovery might take days. It includes both US and worldwide SIM cards, offers real-time tracking with customizable alerts for vibration, speeding, geofence breaches, and low battery, and mounts easily via its powerful built-in magnets, though for drone use, you'll likely need to secure it with straps or tape instead of relying on magnets, which add weight and aren't ideal for non-metal surfaces. The free iOS/Android app gives you full control, and the required subscription starts at $5.50 per month with flexible plans. While its robust build and long runtime are major assets, note that its size and weight, due to the large battery, are better suited for larger drones, cargo drones, or ground vehicles rather than tiny consumer quads, but for pilots prioritizing endurance and durability, the SALIND 11 delivers reliable, long-term tracking peace of mind. Number 4. Ruko U11MINI 4K, RC3. The Ruko U11MINI 4K, RC3, is a beginner-friendly, sub-249G pocket drone that comes with a built-in 5.5-inch touchscreen controller, eliminating the need for a phone, and captures stunning 4K video and 8K photos with its 48MP CMOS sensor. But the real standout for safety is the included Ruko U11S GPS Tracker/Finder, a dedicated module designed specifically for RC aircraft. It integrates with the drone's own positioning system and a companion app to deliver dual positioning real-time tracking within a range of 500-1000 meters, plus a built-in beeper that audibly guides you to your lost aircraft in challenging terrain. While this tracker is a fantastic value add for beginners seeking peace of mind without extra cost, it's important to note that, unlike standalone trackers with their own batteries, the R111S relies on the drone's main power supply. If the drone battery ejects or dies in a crash, tracking capability may be lost. Still, for casual pilots flying within visual range, this integrated tracker offers an accessible, hassle-free layer of protection that makes recovering your drone far easier than relying on built-in GPS alone. Number 5. Ruko U11MINI RC Aircraft GPS Tracker. The Ruko U11MINI is a dedicated RC aircraft GPS tracker/finder designed to give pilots an extra layer of recovery confidence, working with FPV drones, gliders, helicopters, fixed-wing models, and multi-rotors. It pairs with a companion app and integrates with your aircraft's existing positioning system to deliver precise real-time tracking within a 500-1000 meter range, while the built-in beeper audibly guides you to your lost craft even in tall grass, dense brush, or challenging terrain. However, unlike standalone trackers with their own batteries, the R111S draws power from the aircraft's main battery, so if the battery disconnects or dies in a crash, tracking capabilities may be lost, making it best suited for flyaways where the drone still has power rather than hard impact ejections. Bundled with the tracker is a 65 WPD USB-C charger featuring 2 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port for simultaneous high-speed charging of phones, tablets, and laptops, plus a durable 4-foot USB-C cable rated for 3A current and over 5,000 bends, making this combo a practical travel companion that keeps both your drone accessories and everyday devices powered up on the go.